how to delete Snapchat account permanently. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So first of all, you need to open up your Instagram application and you need to log into your account. If you have got multiple accounts, make sure to switch to the account which you want to delete. So once you are logged in, you will be able to see this interface from where you can create snap videos or photo. So for deleting your account, you need to first tap on your profile option in the left upper corner. And from over here, you have to tap on the settings option right next to the share option at the right upper corner. Once you do that, you'll be able to see all of your information regarding your account and also other options. You have to scroll a little bit where you'll be able to see I need help option under support. Simply tap on I need help. After a few seconds of loading, you'll be able to see this type of interface on the Snapchat support. You have to scroll a little bit and you have to go through managing my account option. Once you open it up, you'll be able to see the various options among managing my account. You have to tap on the delete or reactivate my account option. And on the delete or deactivate my account, here are two options. How do I delete my Snapchat account and how do I reactivate my Snapchat account? Since you are trying to delete, you have to tap on how do I delete my Snapchat account, and a description will be available over here. You have to scroll a little bit and at the description over here, you'll be able to see the accounts portal option with purple color. You have to simply tap on this account portal. And once you do that, you'll be opened up to this interface. So here are the description. If you want, then you can read. And for this said that your account will be deactivated, which means friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat. You'll also lose any chats you have saved and only any snaps and chats you haven't opened. After 30 days, your account will be deleted. If you would like to reactivate your account before that happens, just log into Snapchat. So it is said that your account won't be directly deleted. First, it will be deactivated for a few days or 30 days, and after that, your account will be deleted. But if you wish to reactivate your account within 30 days, then you can log into your account. And at the bottom, you can see there's username and password. You have to enter your username, and in the second text field, you need to enter your password. And by doing that, you can go for continue and it will be deactivated. And after 30 days, it will be deleted permanently. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.